A hose reel keeps your hose neatly stored and prevents kinks and tangles, which can be frustrating and time-consuming when rolling up a loose hose by hand. The good news is you don't need a professional or commercial pressure washer to enjoy the benefits of using a hose reel. In this video, I will show you how to install a hose reel on your small home-use pressure washer. Let's get started. Today, I'll install a MECO 50-foot pressure washer hose reel. The box has already been opened, and this is an overview of all the parts included with the hose reel. Each part will be identified during the assembly. The following parts are needed to install the handle. Handle, 3 M5 by 0.8 screws and nuts. Line up the handle with the 3 holes in the reel flange. Insert the screws from the inside of the reel flange. Install nuts and tighten them securely. The following parts are needed to install the lead-in hose assembly. 2.5-foot lead-in hose, Teflon tape. Apply Teflon tape to the male threads of the lead-in hose. Thread the end of the lead-in hose into the water inlet. Tighten securely. The following parts are needed to install the 3/8 inch adapter. 3/8 inch to M22 adapter. Teflon tape. Apply Teflon tape to the male threads. Install the adapter to the swivel hose connector. Tighten securely. Make sure to select an appropriate hose to use with the hose reel. The maximum working pressure for the hose reel is 4,000 psi. The maximum capacity is 50 foot of 3/8 inch hose or 65 foot of 1/4 inch hose. Feed the hose through the reel flange. Slide the hose clamp onto the hose. Use a screwdriver to press the clamp onto the screw. Install the hose clamp nut. Hand tighten only at this time. Pull the hose until it is long enough to connect to the M22 adapter. Tighten the hose connection securely. Tighten the hose clamp. To wind the hose, hold the reel and turn it by hand. Stretch out the hose and remove any kinks as you wind it onto the reel. Ensure that the hose is evenly wound on the reel drum. Where to mount the hose reel. Because of its weight and instability, you cannot mount the hose reel on top of the handle. The height and the weight of the pressure washer can cause it to tip over backward. You can't mount the hose reel on the side of the handle because it will not wind the hose evenly. You can't mount the hose on the back side of the handle due to insufficient space and stability. The solution is to mount the hose on the front of the handle support bracket. The front mounting location is an ideal choice for the following reasons. The front frame support stabilizes when the hose reel weight is pressed down on it. It does not interfere with engine operations such as cranking, adding gas, oil, or other maintenance. It is convenient and easy to unwind and rewind. It has been tested multiple times and it really works great. Caution: do not exceed a 50-foot capacity hose reel. Larger hose reels will not work on small home use pressure washers. Loosen the screws or bolts. Remove the spray nozzles and hose. Remove the screws from the support bracket. Remove the support bracket. The following parts are needed to install the hose reel mounting bracket. 1 mounting bracket, 4 M10 by 1.5 bolts, 4 washers, 4 lock washers, and 4 lock nuts. Note: the mounting bracket is optional and most pressure washer hose reels do not include the bracket. If you don't have one, you can still mount the hose reel to the support bracket using the following for a backer plate: steel mending plates or a 1/8 inch steel plate cut to fit. Turn the support bracket over and remove the Velcro strap. Position the hose reel mounting bracket in the center of the support bracket. Mark the 4 hole locations. Drill the correct size holes to fit the M10 by 1.5 bolts. Be sure to align the holes accurately. Secure the support bracket firmly by clamping it down to prevent movement. Drill slowly. Smooth out the surface by grinding the holes. Check the alignment of the mounting bracket. Ensure that the bolts fit properly. Remove the bolts. Important: make sure the screws or bolts are tightened securely. Install the hose reel. Place the hose reel on top of the pressure washer. Insert a bolt into the 2 top holes to hold it in place on the support bracket. Install the hose reel bracket, washers, lock washers, and nuts. Hand tighten only at this time. Lift the hose reel to align the 2 bottom holes and insert the bolts, washers, lock washers, and nuts. Tighten all nuts securely. Install the 3/8 inch to M22 adapter to the end of the lead-in hose. Tighten securely. Remove the old hose and connect a new lead-in hose. Insert the spray nozzles. The pressure washer hose reel is complete and is now ready for use. This makes it easier to pull out more hose when needed. When finished, remove the spray gun wand and place it in the holder. Rewind the hose onto the reel, ensuring the hose remains even. Thanks for watching.